Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your phone supports Qi wireless charging and that the pad is rated for it. Once done, swap to a quality USB-C to charger cable and an 18W or higher adapter if the manufacturer recommends it, because wattage affects charging speed. Next, clear the surface of any metal items and remove thick or magnetic cases so alignment will work. Now place the pad on a flat, stable surface and plug it in, watching for a power indicator. You now focus on precise alignment. Place the phone gently and center its charging coil over the pad's center, trying both portrait and landscape to find the sweet spot. As you adjust, watch the LED or screen prompt to confirm charging. Some chargers beep or flash. If initial charge is slow, unplug and reseat the phone to improve contact. Make sure the phone sits flat and unobstructed, and allow airflow so both devices don't overheat during the first charge cycles. You finish by confirming that the phone gains charge within 10 to 15 minutes, and by checking the charging speed versus a wired baseline so expectations are set. If charging fails or is erratic, update your phone's software and any charger firmware, because compatibility fixes often arrive that way. As a quick fix, remove the case, try a different certified cable and wall adapter, and micro-adjust the phone's position by millimeters. One key troubleshooting tip. If nothing changes, test the pad with...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.